Hi guys, I'm Pete from Just Dogging It. We're over here taking care of the New York experience out here. Specialty hot dogs for the New York area, and we brought them down here to Phoenix 10 years ago. What we used to do is just run down the street and hit all the cigarette carts down there. Everything I have on my cart is cigarette. Today we're at Barktoberfest, and we're taking care of all the people out here. All my hot dogs are from New York City, and we do a really great dog out here. I've been taking care of this cart now for 10 years, and it's been a pleasure to serve everybody the New York style experience.